What is supervised learning? This clip from the video, The Age of AI, How Far is Too Far video will help you understand this. Don't quit this video and go watch that video because that video does not explain what is supervised learning. That video will be linked in the description. So let's begin. This man named Mark Sagar is the CEO of Soul Machines and he has created a digital twin of his daughter.
Baby. Ooh. What can you see? So Baby X is a lifelike simulation of a toddler. Hey, are you excited to be here? She's actually seeing me through the web camera. She's listening through the microphone. Ooh, yeah. Baby X is about exploring the nature of how would we build a digital consciousness if it's possible. We don't know if it's possible, but we're chipping away at that problem. Hey, baby. Hey.
What is supervised learning? As the name suggests, supervised learning means where a teacher or a supervisor is available. In this case, the man is teaching this child about what is apple, what is orange. So this man is a supervisor, a teacher, and this learning is called supervised learning. There are 3 steps in supervised learning. First, giving data collection, then training it, and then testing it. First, this man will give images to the computer by labeling it by name. That this image is apple, this image is spider. Second, he will train it to classify that this is apple or this is spider by using a method. And by using this method, the computer will be understand that if this shape and this color is there, then this is the apple. And if this shape like spider and the color is there, this is spider. And then this man is testing this by showing this to the computer and the kid by showing a spider object. And the kid has recognized that this is a spider and gets scared. If the kid does not recognize it, then this algorithm is not working. There are many 2 techniques used in supervised learning while training. First one you have already seen before, that is classification. When the man teaches the child what is an apple, what is a spider by showing an image, labeling it that this image is apple and this image is spider, and that is called classification. Second is regression, where mostly maths is used. For example, if this math teaches this kid how to do maths by teaching 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. In this case, this man have to use regression. He have put the data into computer, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. And now by using this regression, the computer will predict what will be 5 plus 12, what will be 5 plus 8. And this is what regression is. They both are quite similar, but when you classify the image by label, that is called classification. But when you use mostly math, then you have to use regression. And classification and regression has multiple methods. Like classification have KNN, K nearest neighbor, neural networks, and regression has linear regression, polynomial regression, and more. If you want more exclusive videos, you should click on the top link in the description. That will take you to my school community that is created for people who love AI, machine learning, and robotics. By joining, you will get exclusive videos there, and you can also request the videos you want. By doing so, you will be supporting this channel and also creating a community of people who love these things.